Hope you got a chance to enjoy this nice evening.
Absolutely beautiful.
It was. And now here we are, the last week of summer, about to experience some spring weather.
Okay.
When was the last time you saw this? Tornado watch that's in effect until 3 a.m. does not affect our area, but it is in the state of Georgia. It's for storms that are continuing to march to the north-northeast away from us. In fact, our area is in pretty good shape. A couple of showers coming ashore north of Colleton County. We see some very spotty showers over inland areas, but if you look just to the west, here's where that main line is. And the watch just was canceled. Excellent news. Watch just canceled, so no longer a tornado watch for this area of precipitation that's getting ready to pass east of Macon over the Dublin area and perhaps some of our western counties. It's 21-mile-an-hour wind gust today. That's southeast wind feeding that storm as it's coming across the area. Take your iPhone here and real quickly look at all the showers and thunderstorms that are a part of tomorrow morning's forecast from 7 a.m. to 11. Temperatures going from 73 to 82. Don't see a lot of sunshine there because the pink, that's the moist air, and the coral, that's the real deep moisture, looks to be lined up right across our area. This is tomorrow afternoon, 4 o'clock. National Weather Service thinking the greatest risk of storms is from South Carolina and the low country farther to the north. Then after that's done, see the purple and the blue? That's the real dry air, and that comes pushing into our area just in time for the weekend. The green is about a half an inch or less of rain. The blue is over a half an inch, and that looks like what we'll get by the time this is all done Wednesday morning. Heaviest rain across the Tennessee Valley, not a part of our forecast. Here's a low that's generating all of this. Earlier this afternoon, it was down here over Louisiana. It's moving very quickly to the north and east right along this frontal boundary. As this front actually gets to our part of the world, it will dry out our air, and this big blue H will take over, and we'll have a lovely weekend coming up. But first, the threat of severe weather tonight shifts to this location for tomorrow, so we need to be alert as we go through the day tomorrow to developing weather conditions. 4:13 our low tide, high tide 10:14 in the morning, particularly high at 8.5 feet. Could see some minor coastal flooding. Still a moderate risk of rip currents with our small craft advisory in effect for tomorrow. So tonight, 30% chance of showers, mainly after 1 a.m. 74 should be the low with a south breeze. 86 tomorrow, 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms, some locally heavy rainfall. Just a 30% chance of showers early on Wednesday, 83. After that, woo, all dry and in the 80s up to the mid-80s by the time we get to the end of the weekend. Overnight lows in the 60s. Nothing really hot, nothing really cold. And always looking ahead to the weekend, the YMCA Heart of Savannah run is coming up this weekend. It is the first full day of fall on Sunday, so we'll be out doing our honey-do jobs if you're lucky enough to have a lawn tractor. Follow us on Twitter. We'll keep you updated on tomorrow's changing conditions. That's at Big John Weather.
Thanks, John.
You're welcome.